Welcome back.
Dude, you're not Alex.
I'm Shane.
All right. What's up, guys? Well, let's check out some cool builds we've been working on. So we've got some brand new CRF110 and CRF125 builds. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around. Let's check it out. So right here, we've got some blacked out CRF110 builds. We already went ahead and converted these with our big wheel kits. Our customer opted for some custom graphics and all black plastic. We also added some LED headlights on here. This one's pretty much done. Just got to throw some grips on it. And we've got a CRF125 up there. That one's going to actually end up looking just like this. Shane's going ahead and getting the brake spled, getting that all buttoned up. Did the hydraulic brake conversion in the rear. Cool looking bike for sure. Let's go ahead and get into time-lapse mode. Get these bikes finished up. All right, guys, it's the next day. Getting some shit rolling today, but let's look at the progress on the bikes. They're looking killer. I stayed a little late last night. Got the graphics on this bad boy. Just got to get the brakes bled, and all 4 of these are ready to ship. So pretty excited how they're turning out. I wish we would have got black seat covers, but the red and black's not too bad. I think the 110s look a little better with the black plastic. This thing's definitely turned out awesome. Are they here already? Oh man, we gotta get going here. Put you on YouTube. All right, guys, it's the end of the day. I did a really shitty job at actually videoing the rest of the process of this, so kind of just rolled them outside and just want to show you guys what we got going right here. So here we go. We've got a couple of CRF110 builds, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video. I believe these are father and son, because we got the CRF125s and the CRF110s to match. So customers from Florida actually called us up and ordered these bikes, and we kind of did like a matching graphics kit on all 4 of them, but pretty cool. Added the LED headlights. So this already has an onboard battery, so we're able to actually just put a switch, turn the headlight on and off. Now, you guys have seen a handful of our videos, and I'm not going to go over all the details because we kind of do that in a lot of the other videos, but the thing that stands out on this bike was the all black plastic with the custom graphics kit. So when you order a bike, if you want to do some custom colors, the only thing I wish we would have done was some black seat covers, but our customer can do that later. But yeah, guys, when you order a bike, if you want to do custom colors, it is possible for sure. Kind of, again, like I said, it's kind of neat making them all match. Now, these CRF125s have been one of our best sellers, along with the CRF110. Appreciate all your support and business. Always trying to improve on these and make them better every time. Yeah, other than that, we've got TTR110 sitting right here. This one's also going to Florida. So we got 4 Hondas going to Florida, along with the TTR110 to another customer. We've got a KTM 500 build. This one's heading over to Connecticut, it looks like. So I believe all of these are going to be shipping out within the next couple of days. You guys have seen this bike in the last couple of videos. We've actually duplicated this a handful of times now for different customers. And yeah, these things have been shipping out all over the place. So pumped to get some builds done this week. And it's been a busy couple of weeks just getting everything ready for these. Of course, we're continuing shipping all of our orders out too. You guys keep us just crazy busy, and just want to say thanks. So stay tuned for the next video. We'll probably be hopping on the beta next. And we've got a couple KTM free rides, another XR build, a couple Honda electric bikes. There's a handful of stuff in there. So see you guys in the next one.